Daily use sentences at home. First of all, sentences about morning routine. Wake up. Get out of bed. Go brush your teeth. Wash your face. Change your clothes. Breakfast is ready. Drink your milk. Don't be late for school. Clean your room. Make your bed. Sweep your floor. Wash the dishes. Put the clothes in laundry. Water the plants. Close the door. Now sentences about family conversation. How was your day? Speak politely. Sit properly. Stop fighting. Share your toys. Don't lie. Say thank you. Now sentences about household needs like turn on the fan. Turn off the lights. Open the curtains. Plug in the charger. The battery is low. Fill the water bottle. Now sentences about evening time like let's have dinner. Rest for a while. Make some coffee. The food smells good. Lay the tablecloth. Give me some rice. Pass me the bread. This soup is delicious. Complete your homework. Don't waste time. Put your books away. Pack your school bag. Brush your teeth. Change into nightwear. Set the alarm. Go to bed early. Good night, sleep well. Now sentences about journal use like where are my shoes? Have you seen my keys? Lock the gate. Bring me a glass of water. The phone is ringing. Answer the door. Someone is at the gate. Don't play outside too long. Stay inside. Take your medicine. Now sentences about spoken with kids like finish your milk. Stop watching TV. Do your homework. Put your toys away. Don't run inside. Wash your hands. Wear your shoes. Button your shirt. It's raining outside. Bring the clothes. Close the fridge door. Wipe the table. Keeps the books properly. Light the candle. The electricity is back. The internet is not working. Let's go for a walk.